Girl, let's talk money and locks. You think starting locks is just a style choice? Honey, it's a financial commitment. Buckle up because I'm about to break down what it really costs to keep those locks looking luscious. First up, the salon visits. If you're not DIYing your locks, professional retwists can cost anywhere from $50 to over $100 every 4 to 6 weeks. Feeling that wallet pinch yet? And don't get me started on products. A good residue-free shampoo, essential oils, and a bomb moisturizer. Yeah, quality ain't cheap. You could easily drop $30 to $50 a month just to keep them locks hydrated and happy. Plus, those occasional deep cleansers and treatments add another $20 to $40 a pop. So you're looking at almost $100 or more a month. Girl locks are basically a luxury car on your head. So, before you dive into the lock life, make sure your bank account is ready for this relationship. Got any cost-saving tips for maintaining those beautiful locks? Drop them in the comments. Help a sister out. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more Lock Buzz.